How to post landscape pictures on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's begin. First of all, launch Instagram app on your phone. Make sure to log into your account. Now tap on bottom center plus icon and then choose the particular landscape picture which you want to post on Instagram. You can easily see the preview at top of the screen. As you can see that by default Instagram has set to square shape like icon. So simply what you need to do is you need to tap on the two arrows at bottom left of the preview section at bottom left. And you can easily see we have made in the landscape mode. So let's tap on next at top right. And after that you need to tap on OK button. And here you can easily choose the filters at bottom of the screen. And once you are done with that, you need to tap on done at bottom right and tap on the next button. And now you can tap on OK. After that, you can easily add caption, location, tag people, and after you customize this section, tap share at bottom of the screen. And finally, you have successfully uploaded or posted landscape pictures on Instagram. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.